Hello, I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. You and I are at the intersection, I-95, exit 302 in Holton. Where are we going today, Andy? Going to take a quick trip. That's the beauty of the interstate being here. To Oakfield. 15 miles. Might fill up with gas. It's pretty cheap down there in Oakfield. What's the real estate mission? What's the main real estate mission today? It's a waterfront property, cheaply priced, 175 feet of frontage on Long Lake. Don't usually find property on the waterfront for in the $30,000 area, but this one's one. You're also near a bunch of other lakes in Oakfield. So it's a cabin, has a long little hike into it. There's a right-of-way that's grown up, so we're actually going to wander in along the railroad tracks. I know it sounds weird, but look at the aerial drone and it makes sense that this is the quickest way to get in here. We'll probably hoof it in about a half a mile and then go down and check the camp out, do a little rotation or two, and quickly get this uploaded because you're looking for low-cost Maine waterfront property, right? Low-cost Maine waterfront property. Do you need one of those type of listings? This is a new Maine real estate listing. It's on a lake. There's a camp. You could have some cheap vacations here. It's a pretty nice path once you get in here. I see the lake. I see a camp. I spy with my little eye. There's an 18 by 6 open front deck started porch with a canopy. This is about 22 feet long, about 18 feet wide. So 22 by 18, 18 by 6 front porch. We need a door, would come in handy in the winter, plus some glass in that opening that overlooks the lake. 2.4 acres, 175 feet on Long Lake. This is low-cost Maine waterfront property. What's behind you? Woods, pretty woods. I had a nice walk, but you gotta complete this. But what a good start. Mixed woods, established trees, hard and softwood kind. Let's go check out the 175 feet of frontage. This is your fire pit, your fire ring, also your next year's Christmas tree growing from lack of use right in the center of it. Disturbed a couple ducks. See a little kayak over there. Don't think we're going to be paddling today. It's just you. Ducks. Sunset in a few hours. See the camp behind those little firs, Christmas trees? Little thinnings needed. You can clear usually up to about a third of your lot. Certain size trees. Check out the Shoreland Zoning video at the end of this one. About 265 back on one side, 175 feet of frontage. Tricky part is how do you launch the drone? I think through this little opening is about the only place. Or this might be a spot where I can silo up, go out front, pan the shoreline. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. I gotta skedaddle back to the office and get this video cut, edited, uploaded, so you'll know about this low-cost Maine waterfront property listing. Like what you see? Look down below. There's a contact information. Shoot me an email. Send me a text. Call me. Reach out with your questions. We're here to help. There's a lot of information down below besides the price. The link to the site, how to get hold of us, Shoreland Zoning. It's all down there. See you next time on the Maine Real Estate Channel.